Hi friends and my dear subscribers. Welcome to SV Technology. In this video we are going to discuss Python identity operators. Python identity operators. These are the new operators which are not present in C language or Java. Here in identity operators we are going to compare the memory locations of two objects. Here we know that comparison operator checks the values. Suppose if I have given a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, so what the comparison operator do? So a greater than b, so it checks the a is greater than or less than to the b, a less than b, or a equal to b, a less than or equal to b, a greater than or equal to b. Like this, operations will be performed by comparison operators based on the values. It checks the values. But here, identity operator checks the memory locations. It not checks the values. It checks the memory locations of two objects. Okay, hence it is possible to know whether the two objects are same or not. So if I check two address location, this is one address location F002 and this is another location F001. I am checking that these two address locations uh, and seeing the same object is present in these both locations or not. If the same object is present, I am going to return true, otherwise I am going to return false. Okay, here R1 R2 returns the true if both R1 R2 pointing to the same object. Same that F002 and F002 F001, if both objects containing same value, if these both addresses pointing same object, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Like this we are going to check the identity operation. Okay, so there are two types of identity operators are there in Python. Okay, those are is and is not. So earlier we have discussed membership operators. What are the membership operator? In and not in. Same like that, identity operators are is and is not. Okay, if the R1 and R2 addresses pointing the same object, then it is true, otherwise it is false for is condition. For is not, it will be reverse manner. Okay, we will check everything, don't worry about that. Okay, we will go to next slide. So I am discussing here about is. So I am checking that two different addresses holding the same value or not. Okay, I am checking that here this is one different address and this is one different address, and these both address are having the same value, which is 10, means a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10. Okay, so here I am having the same values. Okay, here I am saying that a equal to 10, b equal to 10. I am saying that a is b. I am applying a is b. I am saying that the address location which contains a and the address location which contains b are different but holding the same value 10. Okay, this is is operator. This operator is used to compare whether two objects are same or not. Okay, if the two objects are same, so here two objects are same, so it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Here a containing value 10 and b containing the string value of 10. So if I mention quotes, means it will be a string, not a number. So here a containing a number and b containing a string, so these both are not having same value in different address locations, so it will be false. Okay, we will see example, don't worry. So for is we will see example, after that we will say is not. Okay, so here I am opening Python interpreter. I am giving that yes, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So I am saying that a is b. So I am saying that a address location and b address location having the same value. So it is false. Why? Because a having the 10 and b having the 20. If I give b equal to also 10 and again I am checking a is b. A is b. Then it gives true. Why? Because now a and b two different address locations having the same value, which is 10. Like this we are going to perform is operation in Python. So we will check about is not nothing but it is the quite opposite of is operator. Okay, we will see. So here we will see. So this operator is works in reverse manner is operator. Okay, so if the both the address locations having the same value is gives true. Okay, but is not gives false for same result. Okay, reverse of is exactly okay, nothing is more than this we have to learn here. It returns the true if memory locations of two objects are not same. In previous we have learned object locations are same, then only we are going to return true, but here if it is not same only we have to return true. Okay, so I have given value a equal to 10, b equal to 10. I am saying that a is not b. Okay, this is false. Why? Because I am saying that the location of a and location of b are not containing same address same values, but here it contains same value, so given is the false. So here I have given a equal to 10 number which is number and a is equal to 10 which is string. If I mention quotes means it will be a string. So A is not B. I am saying true. Why? Because A and B are not same address locations. So A containing a different value 10 and B containing different value string. This is number and this is string. Two different address locations containing different values, which is I am saying. So here we will see an example of identity operator. So I am opening my Python IDLE. Okay, file open. So I am opening identity operators. I have saved as IDE py. Okay, so which is we have discussed earlier. I have given a equal to 20. I have given a equal to 20, b equal to 20. Means the address location of a and the address location of b having same values. This is the address location of a and this is the address location of b, both having values 20 20. So if a is b, if a is b, so I am checking a is b or not. Okay, a is b or not, else print like this. So I am checking this output once again. So run module. A and B have same identity. Why? Because A equal to 10, B equal to. So A and B have same identity in line 2 also. What I have given line 2, once we will see. So in line 2 what I have given, if A ID of A and address of A equal to address of B, both are having same number of values. So 10. Like this we are going to perform identity operators. Okay friends, this is the end of Python identity operators. Like this I am going to give the total Python courses. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will give total Python subject here and each and everything step by step manner with suitable examples and exercises. Okay, hope you guys this class is very helpful for you. This is Mahesh signing off. Please do subscribe to my channel SV Tech Knowledge. Okay, goodbye.